Okay, I have this coaster that my brother made for me. Now I need to fix it. Now what happened when he was machining it, now what he does is he takes a square piece of wood, and he'll do a 2D cutout of it while it's clamped on the outside. Now in this case, the clamping failed, and it, as you can see on the side, the cutout went south. So now he asked me to fix it. In my case, I've got a vise here on my machine. Let me bring it down. Now my idea is to just glue a piece of wood on the bottom, and then clamp it into the vise, and then do the outside machining. And once that is done, I can cut off this piece of wood here, and then I've got the option to either mill it in here, which is going to be slow. I'm just going to put it back in the lathe and do this face on this end, and then this coaster should be done. So I'm just going to show you my processes from fusion up to machining. It's fairly simple. Now this stock is more or less, or the OD is about 130 millimeters. Now my idea is to take it down to 127. That should be enough to clean out the outer rim. So I just need to find center here. Once I've got center, then it should be relatively easy. Okay, let's dive into Fusion, and then I'll show you what I do. Okay, I'm just going to do it off a laptop. The laptop is not mine, so I'm not going to be able to show you in detail or give you a nice recording of the screen as I would have done with my machine. I start off with a sketch. It's relatively simple. Got a 130 millimeter block here, or a circle, which I need to extrude. Just get a measurement here. Need to extrude it to 20 millimeters. And that's a stock that you have. Okay, I've made a mistake here. Let me just edit the sketch here. My final stock dimension is supposed to be 127, so let me just change it here. Okay, now once you're in manufacture, click on setup, create a stock, and you select here on fixed size cylinder. There you go. Set to 130 and 20 millimeters thick, which is what we want. Now we have to select the tool. Okay, first we need to select the process, will be 2D contour. And it will bring up the tool that you need to select. So we're going to select the tool. This is a 6mm flat end mill. I'm going to set all my heights to 2mm. Set for the stop top. It will remain the same. Okay, I've made a mistake. I forgot to select my face contour here. It will be under the 2D contour. And as soon as you select the correct contour, then you'll see that under your WCS you'll have the amount of bytes that the G-code file will be. And from there you can now create the NC program, or you can select generate and it will just redo it. Go to post process, put in the name again. And then under NC programs, you just have to go look for your NC program. Now before I do that, you can do a simulation. Shows us one pass. Hopefully the machine will do that. I think I might just edit my toolpath a little bit. Okay, my roughing passes, I'm gonna do my step overs 1mm. Gonna take it easy. Depths of cut, I think I'll make that 5mm. I'm just easing myself back into the machine again, because I don't want to end up either breaking end mill or crashing the machine. And then smoothing, that's fine. And then you'll see that your WCS file will be bigger, and you can see also there's multiple steps in there now. So we go back to the simulation. That looks better. Okay. Recreate the NC program. We're done in Fusion. Okay, I'm using Universal G-code sender to operate the machine. So what you need to do is to import the file. In this case is coaster. Now you'll see Fusion creates a T1M6 which the machine doesn't understand, so that line you just delete it. And sometimes your command to start your spindle is not there, so you can add that. And at the end of the program you need to have an M5. You save it. Now it's just to find the center of my workpiece, and then we can start the machining. Okay, it didn't clean up properly. Now if I look at my measurements here, it shows as 128 instead of 127, which tells me that the calibration of the machine is not correct. Anyway, I'm going to tweak the part in Fusion and then run a G-code again.